Wonder shall never end. Can you see what is written there? I hate being called madam. What do you hate being called? We're going to check it out together. But why I'm laughing is because I've been a victim of calling someone a madam. And then I have to reconcile, I have to make peace, I have to apologize after a week. And then I went on apologizing for just calling someone madam. So when I saw this post, I said no, I will bring it to your view. How will someone be angry? This is the world we are. Women, please, I'm sorry. With due respect, most men believe when they call a woman madam, that is a double respect, especially those that looks like they are married. So I was surprised that someone got angry that I called her madam, and she was like, "Am I too old? Do I look so old? Why will you? Are you older than me? Why will you be calling me madam? Why will you call me ma? Why? I don't know. I didn't get it. But I can. When we go through the comment section, I've not gone there, but I know it will be funny. You know, people are just funny and need to be studied. So let's try and see one or two things. Maybe. So I hate being called madam. What do you hate being called? I know most of the comments will be women. So this one say a boss lady, dear. This one hate being called dear, being called boss. The man says boss. So you don't want to be called boss, and you are a boss. I don't like all these misconceptions that we carry all about. This one say she hates being called dear. So many of them dear. What is the problem with dear? This one says he or she says he or she don't like being called salesperson, and you are a seller. Or this one young lady, my young lady. This one hates being called my young lady. I hope you are seeing all these things. This one says he hates being called sir, dear, and boss. This one bra b. I don't understand this one. So many things. This one says mother, dear or mother, and you are a mom. Because if you're not a mom, nobody will call you mother. Mama. This one hates being called mama. Joe. And then I think some of them. This one hates being called small girl. There is nothing we cannot hear. I said I apologized for calling someone madam. And then another lady, it's not even one, but the other one was like, it wasn't a serious case. One of them was that I say good morning ma, and she was angry. So I don't know if you know why such a thing is an issue. Please comment down section. Teach me, I want to know. Please, I am not dear. Please teach me. Oh, this one hates being called dude, and you are a dude. So let's stop here. This one's hate being called Obi. Most surely become a grandma one day. Obi, okay. This one, hey, Aisha, madam, mama. So many people. So, what do you think? What do you hate being called? And why will most of the women hate being? I'm talking about married one. If it's not married ones, if for instance, the person is not married, no problem. But if you are married, Why will you hate being called ma or madam? I don't get it. So I need someone to teach me and say something in the comment section so that some of us will be very careful. Nobody want to get someone angry, but it's just that we don't know. And if you say you don't like being called, why? So if you have anything to say about that, please, I would like you to help us out. Thank you for watching, and continue to like. As you like, you are helping me in my channel. I stay my regard. Bye.